Hi friends! Welcome to Topic Factory English. In today's video, I'll show the tutorial to download and install Phonex OS, an operating system to use Android app on your PC or laptop for free. Let's start the video, shall we? Now open your browser, search for Phonex OS. If you click on the first link, this type of website open in the front of you. Click free download to download it. If you click on the second link, this type of website will open. Click here to download it. Here we have the downloaded file. Let's open the file. Here we have three options: install, make U disk, and uninstall. We want to install. Click install. Choose the drive you want to install in. We will choose the G drive. Select the drive. Click Next. Now choose the size carefully. You can't change it later. I'll choose 16 GB size and click Install. Wait until the installation is complete. All done. Now click OK. But what if this happens? If you click on Start Phonex OS, computer restarts. Boot error occurs. The computer restarts. If this happens, don't worry, I have a solution. All you need to do is to download this file. Got it? Click on the link in description. Find it in description. Once you have downloaded the file, right-click on it. Extract it using 7-zip. If you don't have 7-zip, the video is available in the channel. I hope that you did as I do. Just like clicking the subscribe button, it's amazing. Click on Extract Files. Click OK. Wait for it to complete. Now open the folder and do as I do. Now we have the folder opened here. Simply just copy or cut the files. Now paste it in the file where you have installed Phonex OS. Replace all the files. All done. Now close all the files. Now you can also delete these files because they are no longer useful. Now I am gonna take you to the camera screen. Let's open Phonex OS. Look, the Phonex OS is starting. Select the language. Accept. Connect the Wi-Fi if you have one. We will skip it. Skip anyway. Put name and finish. Here we have the Phonex operating system with Play Store and all other features.